Problem in life. Actually, there is no problem. Problems we are creating with life. Life is so natural, it is vast, it is deep, and there is ignorance towards the life from us. It is a big problem. As I said, now life is tremendous. We are not able to accept the life as the life is. It means what? And what is the problem? That life is unconditional. Life is unconditional. An individual wants to fix it. The peoples want to make their life fulfilled with conditions. How it is possible? Something is unconditional. You are trying to make it with conditional. It's not possible. And if we take efforts for it, then we come into the problem. Because something is not natural, so we cannot compare two things which are not similar. Something is very real and something is very unreal. If we put into two things with same frame, it will not look good, right? Similarly, something is unconditional and you are trying to make something with comparison, something you are putting it with condition. How those can be the perfect? It's never. So if something is unconditional, accept it as the way it is, unconditional way. It is the only solutions. The way you will accept it as it is, you will be happy, you will be filled with peace and joy, and of course you will be always filled with solutions. There will be no problems. So it's simple. Accept the life. Ignorance is not perfect for life. If you ignore the unconditional approach of life, then you will come into problem. But no one cares, and everyone wish that they have to fix everything with conditions, and then symptoms come. Stress, not satisfied, whatever you do, you have the empty feelings. These are the symptoms with it. So learn the language of life. It is unconditional. So you have to receive the unconditional. But before receiving unconditional, try to give something unconditional. So it is give and take.